H&K Living Life is all about our adventures as we enjoy our time together, getting back to enjoying life in the outdoors. We hope our videos will inspire others to get out there and create new memories.
This is H&K Living Life. If you'd like to see more of our adventures, just click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications of new videos.
There you go. And we'll be right about here. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, they're taking pictures.
We don't need to flex because we can't. So here we are at the spot, at a spot, after coming up the hills. This is the group we're with today. But everybody comes over here and does a little flexing on the rock here.
No, I'm not full watch your
If we don't roll his today, that would be a new one. That would be last time I
There's
went there, I rolled it.
my friend Katina.
The head was broken.
Got a little flexing going on over there. It's one thing the truck won't do, the Jeeps will do, which is no big deal. Because I don't plan to put myself in that situation. It looks like Mr. Reese is going to get over and try it too, so I'll stop here a second, we'll come right back.
We're good over here. We're good.
Maybe.
Easy, go down. Last drop right there. There, you cleared the boards.
Yeah, what's the hitch going to do?
Well, there's going to be another animal there.
Yeah, well,
All right,
it always
start
is,
down.
right?
Easy, 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 easy. You got the back end to clear. Easy. Coming down, easy. Coming down, easy. Coming down, easy. Get out of here.
We're here!
Ease down, nice and slow. Easy.
Here's what happens when we bring trucks out where Jeeps are supposed to be.
Easy. Take light and on. Good driver. Good driver. Very good. Right there. Easy. Easy. Coming down.
Go slow.
Nice and slow. Don't clear any more.
Kick that rock back for his back wheel when he comes down. It moved it out of the way. There you go.
Alright, ease on down. Oh, you got some back to clear now.
Coming down.
Coming down, slow down. Slow down, nice and easy.
Oh, hell.
Home free, buddy.
What?
He's trying a different angle.
okay.
That truck may take a different route from this route.
True.
Because there are like 4 different ways you can go up through here.
Oh, okay. Well, he's going straight. Or that way.
I think we'll go to the far right, smooth. Not as big a ledge. So I got this big ledge right here
Yeah.
to climb.
I think so.
We think.
Those,
Yep.
yeah.
Straddle this rock.
Uh-huh.
Over here.
Uh-huh.
Watch that side.
So far, so good. You're good. Oh,
What?
I said cool.
Oh, I thought you said whoa. And you got another one broke down? That's what happens when you bring this clunker stuff up here. Alright, here we are. We got a Jeep broke down, so they're checking it out. While we're up here, I thought I'd give y'all a view from up here. House way over there in the distance. And there's Katrina and Zizi and the tower.
We're gonna take the nope. International nope.
Wish the battery hadn't died. We just went through a pretty good stretch back there, but couldn't stop and change the battery out. Anyway, here's some more. I mean, we could go straight, possibly make it. Get through all the scrapes and the bumps and
Yeah.
all that kind of stuff. We might have to go that way depending on where the tire gets here. How's my tire look over there?
I think you're good. Oh,
That was an antenna hitting the brush. What?
no, just a little dip-de-dee.
Oh, us?
Yeah.
We're just at 7% right now. I'm just saying, let me get off
Okay.
this.
Yeah,
area.
yeah. Do we have enough room?
No, not yet. I'm just getting up to it.
passenger. Now we need 2 hours. There we go. There we go. Okay.
Hold it off for a while.
Okay.
Somebody go this way.
Okay. You're right. Everybody's gone way over.
Yeah, I know, but I gotta get over so that I can. Boom! I was truck.
Something on this side.
It was truck. I'm out this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was it?
It was framed.
Was it?
Need a little bit more lift. Lift would have kept that from happening. What do you think, babe? Should we go straight?
No.
No?
No.
Alright.
But thank you for asking.
No worries. A better suspension would help too with that little bounce we just had.
Mm-hmm.
It wouldn't have bounced and slipped like that. Nobody behind us. So you let this guy know when we get up there.
So there's a really big group this other way. They're coming in front of us up here somewhere.
Nobody's behind us.
No. I don't see anybody.
No.
Steep, 16 degrees. It's pretty good. This is that bypass around that level 5 spot.
Yeah. Right there?
That's part of it. We're still bypassing it. Ready for the bumpity bump right here. Oh, that ain't as bad as the other. That's only, that's 14. If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.